Before you get into ideas, scripts, or creative treatments for a video project, it is vital to be crystal clear on the desired outcome of your video project. The ideas and scripts and treatments are shiny objects at this stage of the process, and it is tempting to chase after them. If someone comes to me with an idea but no sense of what that idea is supposed to accomplish, that's a huge red flag indicating that this project is doomed to failure and disappointment because we've not defined what success even looks like. How will video content serve your interests? What problems do you hope to solve? These are strategic questions that only you can answer. As the marketer, the answers should either be on the tip of your tongue or at your fingertips. Your deep understanding of your needs are integral here. If you can only repeat your mission statement or say something vague like, "We need more sales," then your metric for success is only one big, swinging for the fences abstract goal. When I ask for desired outcomes, I want to hear specific things like, "We want to build our brand and convince attendees at this very specific annual conference to resubscribe to our software as a service." Or, "We want to convince our curated list of wealthy folks from Hong Kong to invest in our condo development project in Western Canada." Or, "We want to broadcast our company culture and thought leadership to build credibility with procurement decision makers when reviewing project proposals." These are specifically stated outcomes that really set up a project for success because they inform everything from the script to the final product. In the next video, we're going to talk about clarifying your target audience.